Ever dreamt of having your finances organized like a boss? No more digging through receipts or late-night spreadsheet battles. If you're a freelancer, a budding entrepreneur, or simply someone tired of financial chaos, then you've probably heard of QuickBooks. It's a popular accounting software that helps businesses manage everything from invoices to expenses. But here's the thing. Can you actually get your hands on QuickBooks without breaking the bank? Let's face it, starting a business comes with a lot of upfront costs. So, is there a free version of QuickBooks that can help you get your financial house in order? The answer might surprise you. There isn't exactly a completely free version of QuickBooks in the traditional sense. QuickBooks offers different paid plans with varying features, but there's no forever free option. However, that doesn't mean there aren't ways to leverage QuickBooks' power without a hefty monthly price tag. Here's where things get interesting. QuickBooks offers a free trial for their paid plans. This trial period typically lasts for 30 days, giving you a chance to test drive the software and see if it fits your needs. During this trial, you'll have access to most, if not all, of the features offered in the paid plans. This can be a great way to explore features like creating invoices, sending estimates, tracking expenses, and generating basic reports. Think of it as a financial boot camp. You get a crash course in how QuickBooks can streamline your business finances. Then you can decide if it's worth the investment once the trial ends. Now, the free trial has its limitations. For one, it's temporary. After 30 days, you'll need to subscribe to a paid plan to continue using QuickBooks. Additionally, the free trial might not be suitable for established businesses with a high volume of transactions. QuickBooks limits the number of invoices, customers, and vendors you can create during the trial period. But here's the good news. Even without a paid subscription, there are alternative tools and resources that can help you manage your finances for free. Spreadsheets. They might not be the most glamorous option, but good old-fashioned spreadsheets can be surprisingly effective for basic bookkeeping, especially if you're just starting out. There are many free spreadsheet templates available online specifically designed for small business accounting. Free accounting software. Several free accounting software options offer basic features like creating invoices, tracking income and expenses, and generating reports. These might not be as robust as QuickBooks, but they can be a good starting point for freelancers and solopreneurs with simple financial needs. Mobile banking apps. Most banks offer free mobile apps with built-in budgeting tools and transaction tracking. These apps can be a convenient way to keep an eye on your cash flow and categorize your spending on the go. Ultimately, the best approach depends on the size and complexity of your business. If you're a freelancer with a few clients and a handful of expenses, a free spreadsheet or mobile banking app might be sufficient. But as your business grows, the limitations of these free options become apparent. That's where QuickBooks comes in. Its paid plans offer a variety of features that can save you time and streamline your finances. From automated invoicing and expense tracking to detailed reports and inventory management, QuickBooks can be a game changer for growing businesses. So, while there isn't a truly free version of QuickBooks, the free trial gives you a chance to experience the power of the software and see if it's worth the investment for your specific needs. And remember, there are always alternative free tools available for basic bookkeeping tasks. Explore your options, take advantage of the free trial, and find the financial management solution that best suits your business journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.